Good morning, it's Susan with your Daily Dose. I'm going to talk a little bit about lease purchases. We've been having a few phone calls about those things lately. The TAR Forms Committee took a long, in-depth look at the lease purchase agreement, and due to today's economic climate, lease purchase agreements have become more popular, but they've also become more complicated in many ways. Many sellers are desperate for purchasers for their property so that they can avoid foreclosure. One option that many of these sellers are considering is a lease purchase agreement. However, it's gotten very difficult to protect both the buyers and the sellers in these harsh economic times when assisting them with a lease purchase. That's the reason that TAR elected to remove the form from the Library of Forms. If your clients are definitely desiring a lease purchase agreement, it's recommended that your client consult with their own attorney who can assist them in drafting a lease purchase agreement which meets their individual needs. This will ensure that they have the best possible form for their particular situation. It's become increasingly difficult to draft a one-size-fits-all form to address all the different and complex situations. The best plan is to have the buyer and seller consult their own attorney for a specialized form to meet their needs. This is going to protect not only the buyers, but the sellers and actually you, the agent that's going to assist them through this process. There is another option available. You can have the sellers agree to go ahead and just flat out lease their property and then enter into a purchase and sale agreement closer to the time when the lease is going to end. That might alleviate one of the problems that we've seen with the lease purchase, and that is that they just don't close. You'll need to be very careful about the inspection section on that purchase and sale agreement when you do execute it. There's going to be some changes that need to be made there, and if you are thinking about doing this, then an attorney does need to be involved. That is the recommendation from the TAR Legal Counsel. You need to talk with your broker, make sure your broker understands, and your broker may have a way that they want you to conduct business where a lease purchase is going to be involved. That's your daily dose. See you tomorrow.